thing. Yeah, nothing. I gotta run and get some food now. I want to kick this dude off his bike, but ugh. Oh. 40 almost hit me, dude. I'm doing all right, man. Thanks for asking. Is the sound all right? Like, I know GTA sound is probably going to be down a little bit. Let me move it up. There we go. Wow. I only have $10 on me. Fuck, bro. Oh, nice, nice, nice. I want to get some food, though, man. I want to get some food. Oh, I didn't fall through. Nice. Actually, there's food right here, I think. Oh, she's in a hurry. Oh, no. It's just a citizens ID thing. Please don't let me fall through the map. Thank God.
Yeah, you too. Hi, Jean.
Hello. Oh, is that food for everybody?
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. I was gonna say.
Did she bring back?
Oh, let me get 6. Let me get 6. All right, chat. Here we go. I don't have to get food now. I can eat my. Why are we lagging? What the fuck? Why are we lagging when we go to NoPixel? I don't understand this. I literally do not understand this. We're lagging when we're on NoPixel. I don't know why it keeps doing this. Wait, I thought Rudy was dead. I thought Rudy was dead. How you do? Oh man, I already asked you that, American. Why am I lagging though? I don't understand that. I really don't. I'm every time I go back onto NoPixel, I lag. Like I'm lagging. Like right now I'm not, but here it comes. It's yellow. Now it's green. It's got to be like NoPixel. I don't know why. It's got to be. Which side is Jordan on? Because that's the side I want. There's a skipped frame. Come on, why you doing this to me? What number am I? 8? Damn. How many people are in the city right now? There's 11 right now. Yeah, there's 11 right now. So I hope you guys all like this court RP. I appreciate you guys watching and sticking around for the ones that do. There's a couple on Lost RP that love this court shit. So, and I personally like it too. So, all right, buddy, you're good, American. See you in a bit. Yeah, I personally like this court RP stuff too. It's different RP, you know, instead of being out on the street doing shit. So. I'm gonna eat while we wait, alright? I'm gonna eat, so I'm gonna push my mic away and we're just gonna kind of wait. We got 2 minutes technically. Should be in a minute, chat. About a minute we got. Welcome back. Hasn't started yet. We're just waiting. I'm eating. Finally eating something. Oh man. My GPU temperature is at like 68 degrees. Holy shit.
All right, where's your client?
I just reached out to her. I haven't got a response quite yet.
Well, I saw her in here. So where is she?
Oh. I haven't seen her yet. I'm not sure. I'll go look outside.
I hope Penta shows up, dude. I really hope he does. I have a feeling Penta's not going to show up, and then this court case is going to be a waste of time. And then I feel bad for the lawyers and judges and shit, because their RP's ruined, because somebody didn't want to show up.
couldn't see her out there. Perhaps there was a head pop, maybe? I'm not sure.
All right, I'm gonna give him 5 minutes.
Yeah.
5 minutes. That judge is looking good, though, isn't she? Hmm. A woman of power. Oh, there she is.
Ah, there we go.
I'm only getting 50 frames right now. Stop skipping frames, damn it. Fucking Xfinity. What's up, Rudy?
Hey, how's it going?
Okay, or don't answer.
Also, hi, Kenny.
Hey, I'm really sleeping.
How are you?
Where's the defense at?
Mm.
I love how they walk over to
Oh,
me.
hi, Kenny.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, I think we need to talk later. I have a game in mind.
Alright, sounds good. Wait, what kind of game?
Dude, really?
It's a game for the angels.
Oh shit, hell yeah.
Come on, show up, Penta. Come on, man. I guarantee you he's not going to show up. Well, this was a good court case, chat. Oh, man. I don't think Penta's showing up, chat. Sorry about that. I guess we won't have a court case. I might be speaking too soon, but the way it's going, it's already been 5 minutes.
It's the anticipation.
Oh. I'll be right back, chat. Actually, I'm gonna wait.
Okay, well, let's get started then. I mean, can somebody reach out to him or does anyone have his phone number?
I just reached out right now.
Actually, I have his phone number, but I don't have a phone.
I have a phone.
Yeah, let him know we're literally all sitting here waiting for him like assholes.
Yeah, I just reached out to him as well.
He better show up, chat. Hang on, chat. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back,
Okay,
chat.
let's go ahead and get started. Plaintiff, will you read your statement of claim?
Sure. On January 21st,
Ooh,
2020,
damn, chat.
the Honorable Judge Holden oversaw the court proceedings for a civil divorce, Gene Steele versus Jordan Steele. Upon conclusion of the proceedings, Judge Holden gave the following ruling. Divorce granted. Jordan Steele will pay $5,000 per week in alimony to Gene Steele. Closed. Counting from the next full week after the trial, beginning Sunday, January 26, 2020, we are currently 41 weeks from the conclusion of the divorce proceedings. Mr. Jordan Steele has provided the court-ordered alimony to Mrs. Jean Steele twice. Due to the delinquency in payments and no good faith shown from Mr. Steele that these payments are likely to occur anytime soon, Ms. Steele brings this suit to the courts.
We started, chat.
Plaintiff seeks payment of delinquent court-ordered alimony payments in the amount of 39 weeks for a total of $195,000,
Damn.
plus any interest the court deems acceptable. Plaintiff would also request the courts require Mr. Steele to provide a plan of how these payments will be made in the future to show his good faith moving forward. Alternatively, Ms. Jean Steele is willing to forgive all delinquent alimony payments, as well as terminate the weekly payments in perpetuity in exchange for Mr. Jordan Steele's 1/3 ownership share of Steele Family Towing and Impound.
Okay. How many witnesses are going to be called today?
I would call Jean and Justice Stanton.
All right, we'll be doing. You have an opening prepared.
Yep.
All right, let's go ahead and let's get that started.
All right. On January 21st, 2020, Jordan and Jean Steele divorce was finalized by Honorable Judge Holden. As part
Who's
of his ruling,
lurking?
Judge Holden also specified
Oh,
$5,000
new
in
emote.
alimony paid weekly
New
by
emote.
Jordan to Jean.
New emote.
Since the time has occurred, Jordan has only paid Jean the court-ordered alimony twice. Jean is merely looking for her ex-husband to meet his obligations as ruled by the courts, and we've also proposed an alternative payment strategy if that works for him. Thank you.
Oh,
I'm here.
he's here, chat. He's here.
I'm here.
Yes, we got a
God
court
damn,
case.
Jordan.
We got a court case.
You all right, Jordan?
No, I'm not alt right.
What?
Captain Birdseye.
What is this about? Listen to me, all right? Listen. I didn't know what those guys were into. When I took that van and I drove it to the... I didn't know what those guys were into.
Mr. Titus, go ahead and read your statement of claim to Mr. Steele, please.
Sure. Just let me find that again here. On January 21st, 2020, the Honorable Judge Holden oversaw the court proceedings for civil divorce,
Who?
Gene Steele v. Jordan Steele.
Why don't you just go ahead and read him the relief?
Plaintiff seeks payment of delinquent court-ordered alimony payments in the amount of 39
Delinquent?
weeks
Hey!
for a total of $195,000,
Oh.
plus any interest the court deems acceptable. Plaintiff would also request the courts require Mr. Steele
Sorry,
provide
Chet.
a plan of
I was
how these
fixing
payments
something.
will be made in the future to show his good faith.
Look.
Alternatively, Ms. Jean Steele is willing to forgive all delinquent alimony payments, as well as terminate the weekly payments in perpetuity in exchange for Mr. Jordan Steele's 1/3 ownership share
I like how people
of
just
Steele
move
Family Towing and Impound.
Son, we're here with you.
Oh my God, Pop! It's so good to see you. It's
How you
been so
doing,
long.
How you
Mr.
doing,
Steele,
baby
you have an
boy?
opening
Why
for
It's
the
me.
been
fuck
so
do you look
long,
like a
Dick.
sailor?
Mr.
Shut up.
Steele, I'm gonna move on if you don't have an opening.
Okay, here I go.
That's
That's
Nikki. That's not your father. That's Nikki, asshole.
It's great to see you here, Dad.
I'm your brother.
Listen,
baby boy.
here's
What
the
they
thing,
do to
all
you?
right? Do I really even need an opening statement, or are Gene's legs open enough for this entire court?
Oh,
I think the answer
They
is
are.
yes.
All right, plaintiff, go ahead and call your first witness.
All right, my first witness is Gene Steele.
Boo! Boo!
Mr. Steele, shut up.
Hey, you can't tell me what to do in my own
Yes, I
courtroom.
can. Shut up.
Miss Steele, can you raise your left hand, please? Do you swear
Sorry,
to tell
chat.
the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury, so help you God?
oh,
I do. Witness has been sworn in, Your Honor.
All right, go ahead, Titus.
All right, Gene. Were you present during the divorce proceedings on January 21st, 2020?
Fake.
Yes, I was.
All right, and what was the result of those proceedings?
That he was going to be paying me alimony the following week, starting $5,000 a week until, he wanted to try to change that.
Okay. I will now reference the evidence of that court document that I have filed with this docket. So, have you received any of those alimony payments as per the court order?
I've received 2 of those payments.
Trip
and,
in.
When did those occur?
The very first week, he paid me, and then probably like a month ago, he paid me one time.
Okay.
Titus, I don't see a link to the other docket here.
Oh, is it not a hyperlink there on the docket?
Where? Point
Just
to.
under evidence.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Go ahead.
All right. So what happened during the first payment?
Well, the first time that he paid me, the very first week of alimony, I met him. With Justice Stanton was there with me as well. Met him behind the bank on the square. And at the time, he was a cop, still working as a cop and everything. And right after he paid me, there was a car of people came up and proceeded to rob the $5,000 out of my hand. And then later that day, the cops that were looking for those people found out that
Told you,
Jordan had paid those people to rob,
Objection. This is speculation.
and that, but they gave me my
I
$5,000
made
back,
an
so I still-
objection. Shut up, bitch!
Steele.
Shut your
Alright.
fat fucking mouth!
Okay, I'm holding you in contempt. 7
Why?
years
I made
in
an
prison.
objection. She's not allowed to
7
talk.
years in prison.
Whoa!
Your Honor,
whoa,
Your Honor,
relax.
That's
please,
right.
please, Your
I'm
Honor,
starting
please.
High today.
Your Honor.
Whoa!
Excuse me, this is her
I'm starting
courtroom.
high today.
7 years. I should have just fucking
Please.
murdered the bitch. It would have been less time.
15 years.
Ma'am, look, he's not well.
Dad, don't
ma'am.
say anything. You're
Well,
going
then
to get
why
7
isn't he-
years
Why
now.
didn't you get an attorney for him?
I'm addicted.
Listen,
I'm an
he's
addict.
not well.
Where's his attorney?
He was refusing.
His family's
ma'am,
here to support him.
Please go
Then
easy
you
on the
should've gotten
boy.
an attorney. You should've gotten-
You see him, you can smell him. Please, ma'am.
Please, I'm addicted.
All right, one
So he's
year.
got
I'll
cum
take
in
it
his
down to
beard,
1
for
year.
Christ's sake.
I'll suck this guy's dick right now.
No,
Oh, Okay.
I
I'll
I'll
suck
don't.
your
right
dick,
now.
Your
I think
Honor.
Jordan lost his mind.
I don't have a dick. I'm
I'll
taking
do
it
it in
down to
front
1
of
year.
everyone. I
Shut
don't
up.
care.
Shut up.
Ma'am, please, if you can find it in your
And
heart, just
I'm
go
the
easy on the
grandson.
boy.
Damn objection.
This shit's so funny,
Okay,
dude.
overruled. Continue.
Oh
And the cops
shit.
had let me know that they found the person and that
I'll be right back.
they had ratted out Jordan about
Objection.
having them
This
do
is
it.
still speculation, regardless of my outbursts.
Bro, why do people
Okay,
keep
I just
fucking
remember.
moving me?
Uh,
He doesn't have
already-
one.
He already
Shut
objected
the
and
hell up,
took
Mr.
it back.
Steele.
So this is his second objection on
I'm
the
doing
same
it again.
question.
Jesus.
I'm just having Jean here explain the first situation where she received payment, Your Honor.
Okay, well then I mean I can close it down for narrative. Can you be more specific? Actually, I'm just gonna sustain it for narrative. Ask her more specific questions because now
Great.
my notes are gonna be all fucked up.
All right. So,
I hate that people just walk up to you and just move you. Like,
so after you received the money from Jordan, what happened?
I got robbed of the money.
Okay. So you never received that alimony payment from Mr. Steele?
No, I did receive it later in the day after the cops got it back from the people who took it from me.
Okay. And you said Justice Stanton was there?
Yes, Stanton was there with me when I got that and when I got robbed.
Okay. And then you said he paid you a second time, correct?
Yes, he did.
And when did that second time occur?
Probably about a month and a half ago.
Okay. And what happened that time?
He met me at the bank up the hill from Lock Q. Stanton, I think, was there with me that time as well, and he paid me the money.
Okay.
Dude, this bitch she's full of
and,
shit, Jordan.
You weren't robbed that time?
Yeah,
No,
let
I
this
wasn't.
judge know.
Okay. And then, so other than these
It's just
two
a year,
occasions,
brother. It's just a
has
year.
Mr.
What's
Steele
that?
tried to make arrangements
What's a
for any
year?
further
Don't
payments?
worry, I got
Nothing.
the golden gun.
No, he hasn't.
Oh,
Okay.
we brought a gun into the courtroom.
Yeah, it's taped to the bottom of the desk.
Yeah, that's all I have, Your Honor.
Okay.
Let us
may
make
God
sure
have
you make
fucking
me
mercy.
leave
Mr.
first.
Steele, do you have any goddamn questions?
Yup. Here we go. Oh my god.
Remember to keep them in scope, Mr. Steele.
Yeah, Rudy.
Yup.
That don't look too good.
Okay. Hello,
the
honey.
fuck up, Cy. Dumbass.
Isn't it true that you fucked somebody when we were
Objection,
married?
Scope.
You fucking whore.
Sustain.
Yeah,
okay.
me.
Okay.
All right.
whoa.
Hey, do you remember the date that we were married?
Objection, Scope.
This whole thing is about our marriage.
It is not about your marriage. It is about your alimony payments. Sustain.
Alimony. A marriage is required for alimony.
Yeah, you already had a trial for that part, though. This trial is regarding why you are not paying her alimony that she's due by the
I
court.
forget. There's only 2
Sustained.
views on.
Wait, what was that trial for?
Court case?
I don't fucking know.
Your divorce trial? I don't know.
This guy's drunk.
I can represent him.
I don't remember that.
We're gonna lose the plot.
Okay.
You got this, buddy.
Okay. All right, here we go. Mrs. Jean.
Can we have them quietly?
Mrs. What are you going by now?
Jean Steele.
Jean Steele? I thought you would be going by your last name, Goodman.
Objection here, Your Honor. Where's
Don't
this
you get
leading?
the
Relevant.
listen? Okay, Mrs. Steele. How many attempts have you made to collect the money?
I call you every week and send you multiple text messages, and you never reply.
Oh.
Hey, can I borrow a phone so I can see? I don't. Okay. Oh, okay. I would like to point out that there's no evidence of these texts existing.
I got a phone. I
Nope.
can show it.
Nothing in evidence. There's nothing submitted into evidence regarding this.
Good one.
Okay, that's it. No further question.
Would you like to redirect?
So,
No, it's fine.
All right, Miss Steele, you may step down.
Liar!
Mr. Steele, is Miss Steele up for recall?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and call your next witness, Titus.
All right, my next witness would be Justice Stanton.
Judge Stanton.
Can you raise your left hand, please, Your Honor? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you, under penalty of perjury, to help you coil?
I do.
So
The
help
witness
you
has been sworn in,
coil.
Your Honor.
Help me coil.
Thank you. Go
I
ahead,
cannot
Titus.
lie.
All right, Justice Stanton. Were you present during any of the times that Jean was paid the alimony by Jordan?
Yes. There's one that I recall specifically. Yes.
Okay, and which one was that specifically that you recall?
It would be one where we went to the back of Legion Square Bank, and she received money, and then some people came out of nowhere, held us up at gunpoint.
Okay, okay. And why were you there with Jean?
She asked me to accompany her.
Okay. And so that was the one that she did not end up, or sorry, it got robbed and then given back to her, correct?
To my knowledge, yes, it was the one that she was robbed at. I do not know if she got the money back.
Okay, okay. And then in your personal experience with Jean Steele, have you heard her discuss in the past not receiving these alimony payments?
Yes.
Okay, and what she said about in that situation?
It's multiple instances. It's pretty much just I haven't gotten my alimony yet, Stanton. What do you think I should do? Things of that nature, and I just tell her, well, shit, call and try and get your money. It's not really much I can do.
Get your money,
until you
honey.
File a case on it and shit.
All right,
I mean,
Gotta get paid, babe.
all right. That's all, Stan. Thank you very much.
Mr. Steele, you got any questions for him?
Yep. Okay. Listen, aren't you, you hired, Jean, right?
No, I
Objection,
didn't
scope?
actually.
Does Jean work for the court?
Oh, hold on now. I'm gonna overrule your objection. Client already answered.
Yeah, sorry about
Thank
that.
you.
Does
I'll give
Jean
it a
work
second.
for the courts?
She does.
Okay, so that's the 5th farm animal that works here. I've seen dogs and cats and shit in here, right?
Objection. Relevance.
Okay, no further questions.
Who are the other farm animals you're referring to?
What? Yeah,
I've seen talking dogs in here.
Heavy.
Shit, I've seen a talking cat for Mike Block's fucking
Musties.
trial.
Okay,
Pigs.
go ahead
Got
and,
some sort of virus.
would you like to redirect?
No, Your Honor.
If you guys
Is,
remember
Stanton up for recall there, Mr. Steele?
Mike Block's
Mm-mm.
trial on the
Alright.
second day,
Stanton, goodbye.
the cat was there.
Go ahead and call
on
your
the-
next
you.
witness.
My next witness would be Jordan Steele.
All right.
Yeah, I like that guy.
Captain Haddock.
You're gonna go on the stand through the glass, student? Okay. Mr. Steele, raise your left hand, please.
Hey, don't you ever fucking tell me where to walk in this court. I used to be a god in this courtroom.
Mr. Steele, I
I
will
used
tell
to
you where
be
to
a
walk in this
lord!
courtroom as I am a
People
bailiff. I
would
don't care what you
bow!
used to be.
Mainly me, but
Ugh.
it was mainly me. doing all
What the
of
fuck
it
happened to my
free.
brother?
All
Sai,
right.
did you do
swear to
this?
tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty
Nikki,
of
do
perjury.
you know
so help you
anything?
coil.
Oh yeah.
The witness has been sworn in, Your Honor.
It's 'cause you don't love
You may
me.
proceed, thank you.
All right, Mr. Steele.
I do love
how
my
many
brother.
times
We
have
patched
you paid
things
Jean
up.
the court-ordered alimony payment?
As many times as she's asked.
Or after you hit him
So
with the
twice.
bar.
On the stand,
I've hit him. I've done all. Shut the fuck up, Nikki.
my client said she attempted
Shut your
to
dumb
phone you
ass up,
and
you
leave
alcoholic.
messages
All your
on
client's a
multiple
lying
occasions.
bitch. What do you want me to say? Well, you don't think
So-
everyone comes on this fucking stand and lies in their favor? Well, it's all in the game, baby.
I lie all
So
the time
you're
on
lying
that
right
stuff.
now?
I'm not doing it because I have some goddamn integrity.
Get down, Mr. Steele.
What the fuck?
If
Which
I
is
thought he was
why-
about to rush that fucker.
Which is why I need to keep the lot because I run it with morals. All right.
I mean,
If
he-
Gene ran it, it would turn into Bang Bus Part 2, Bang Bus in a parking lot.
all right. I think that's all, Your Honor.
Yeah, you're a coward.
God
Alright,
damn.
Mr. Steele, you may sit down.
Okay.
You're a great dad.
Lost it.
You really showed that guy.
Fuck that guy.
Tintin's
Mr. Steele, is there any questions you'd like to ask yourself?
Sure.
Okay, I'll allow it.
Okay. Mr. Steele, how many times has Gene asked you for alimony?
Objection asked and
Twice.
answered.
Overruled.
Yeah, twice.
Here we go.
Oh, okay. So every time she asked, you paid. Yes.
Bro.
Okay,
Holy
no
shit.
further questions.
Would you like to redirect?
Yeah, I have one redirect.
Definitely smoking the crack.
On any of those occasions you paid Miss Steele, do you have any records of it?
I don't need it. She testified, dipshit.
Thank
Sir,
you.
answer
So,
the question.
Yeah, get him,
Do I have records of it? Yes. In this courtroom.
okay, thank you.
You may step down.
Testimony.
Sir, go ahead and call your next witness.
Plaintiff rests at this time, Your Honor.
Is there any evidence you want to go over?
Just the court docket that was submitted
You're gonna win.
showing Judge
I think
Holden's
you got
ruling.
this, Jordan. I'm proud of you.
Okay, Mr. Steele, go ahead and call your first witness.
Can I have a couple
I didn't
minutes
know.
there, Your Honor? I apologize.
For what?
I
She
want
looked
to
good,
look
though.
at this docket. I hadn't even done that. I figured it was Titus, so I wouldn't really need to be that prepared.
Hell yeah.
You can have 1 minute.
God, bro. He doesn't give a shit. He's already said OLC. He doesn't care if he loses
Oh, there's
a lot.
zero evidence. Okay, sorry. I was gonna go over some, but there isn't really any. Okay. I would like to call Kyle Pred to the stand. Surprise witness!
Denied.
Surprise witness!
Your Honor, at this time, I'd have to object. He has not made any motions to call any additional witnesses at this time.
What's he going to be testifying
Oh,
to?
shit.
It's not. It's gonna be really bad news. Listen, that's why it's a surprise witness.
Look at the look at the back of Jordan's hat on his jacket.
All right, get in there.
This is your only surprise
On his
witness, though.
jacket?
This is the only one.
Fred,
Fred, get in there!
You've been called.
It sound like
Hey!
he's far away.
Yeah,
My
come on.
bad. I was building anticipation to me taking the
Surprise
stand.
witness, Pred.
As a surprise witness should. There should be a big build-up. A climax
shit.
as is. And I waited for the perfect time to steer my steps
First climax
forward
you've ever
towards
heard.
this stand, Your Honor.
This is a good segue, Pred. You mentioned climax.
Hi,
Has
who's
there
this
ever been a?
morning?
Please swear it in fast so I don't lose the momentum.
Officer Pred, can you please raise your left hand? Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury, so help you God?
Of course I do. I'm
The
a
witness
cop.
has been sworn in, Your Honor.
Speaking of climax, there, Officer Pred, have you ever climaxed onto Gene Steele's face?
Objection, relevance.
It's
Wow.
relevant.
How so?
Here we go.
Did I? Do you want me to answer that?
Yes, I do.
Here we go.
It's sexually graphic.
I want you to be as explicit as possible.
Oh,
Please, the
shit. Here
details
we
are
go.
important.
Oh my God.
Shit.
So there I was.
It's happening.
I was with Nikki and Sidecar. I never listen. That's a lie. That was just a joke. I did have sex with that woman, but I was drunk when it happened. Being that she is
As
a
anyone
fucking
would need to be.
moo-cow.
Yes. As anyone would need to be.
She is a heinous heifer of a
Objection.
woman over
At this
there.
time, it's a
And I
narrative
have no
from the
interest
witness,
in
Your Honor.
pursuing
Over.
physical actions with her ever again.
Holy
I want to
shit.
hear it.
Let me ask you, how much flour did you have to use to find the hole?
Wow.
An entire
What does
bag
that mean?
and a half.
Overruled, what does that mean?
What?
Why, Jake?
Yes, I need.
She's so big, you'd
clarification.
have to use some flour to find the wet spot.
Wet spot.
Your Honor.
Oh.
Yeah, have you ever made bread on the countertop?
Okay, that's-
What the
Get off the stand.
Oh, oh,
What?
shit.
No, I got
You've
one more.
disgusted me. No, you've disgusted me.
It
You've
is
had your
disgusting. She is disgusting.
What
had
the
your
fun. This is my
fuck,
point.
bro?
Your Honor, what about the cross-examination?
No,
Yeah, there's-
God damn it, fine.
Someone's going to prison.
Yeah. You gotta stay up
Yay!
You have one more question.
Oh my God,
Okay.
dude.
Wait.
During pillow talk that so commonly happens after intercourse, did she ever mention some sort of evil, diabolical plan to never contact me for money and then dump it on me all at once while I'm hungover?
Objection, speculation.
Sustained.
Okay. Had Gene Steele ever mentioned to you contacting me for money?
I haven't seen Gene Steele in months.
Oh my
But
God!
I can recall that.
All right, that's it. No
so you
further.
can recall that.
I can recall that I never heard anything from her because I can't remember the last time I've talked to Gene. Probably
Hmm.
it's been like 4 or so months.
That's a long
So,
time, Your Honor.
It's been a long time since I've talked to her.
All right.
Ugh.
Would you like to cross this witness?
No, it's okay, Your Honor.
All right, sir. You may sit down.
Good. That guy's a
Mr.
dick.
Steele,
Shit is going
Go ahead and
terrible.
call your next witness.
Okay. Next
How did you
witness.
get back?
It's Big Bounder. What?
Where'd my dad go?
Good job, Brad.
Okay, he's not going to be a
Ah.
witness.
I was
You
on
didn't
the
call
other
him,
side of the
but Miss
room.
Steele is
Oh.
on the
Yeah.
list if you want to call her.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I would like to call Gene Steele.
Miss Steele, please approach. You're still under oath.
Look, we need to talk after this.
Here we
Oh,
go.
I have a
absolutely.
plan.
Oh God.
Whoa, get off the stage.
Hey, Sai, we need to talk after this. I have a plan.
All right, yeah.
Hello, Gene.
That guy's gonna he's gonna get
Hi.
mad at me.
Get out of the
This is
courtroom.
Gene Steele.
I'm
One.
sorry.
Isn't it true that you were stabbed by an unknown assailant in Sandy
Objection.
Shores and dumped in the
Relevance.
river?
What's the relevance of this, Mr. Steele?
Honestly,
It's
Rudy, we could
relevant.
just kill her.
Okay, what are
Hey,
you
what's
doing
up,
in
Hit?
regards to
How you
this?
doing, man?
Okay. Were you ever stabbed in Sandy Shores?
We're watching a court case
Yeah, a really long time ago.
on NoPixel.
Okay. Do you want that to happen again?
Okay.
Objection. You're
No, it's just a
giving
question.
rise to my-
It's just a question. Do you want that to happen
This is
again?
Steele,
threatening
go
my
back to your
client.
podium.
No,
Do
okay,
it
okay,
now.
okay, all right. Okay, okay,
Go back to
okay.
your stand.
It's just a
I'm
question.
not gonna ask you again.
Son of a bitch.
Miss
Is the
Steele,
volume
sit
all right,
down.
guys?
All right, you know
Is there
what?
any other
Fine.
witnesses you'd like to call?
No, but can I just go over some things?
I don't give a fuck what you do. Just do it quick.
Fine. I would like to point out that there is zero evidence that she made any sort of contact to collect this money. And I would also like to say that I feel as if the Mrs. Steele and her attorney are trying to paint some sort of picture that it's
Awesome,
completely
awesome.
100%
Oh,
on me
nice,
to
buddy,
go out of my
nice.
way to pay her.
Just got out
When
of
in
school.
reality,
Hell
I
yeah,
feel
bro.
like that
Hell
maybe
yeah.
it should be a bit of a give and take. You know, maybe she should have to make an
She sure
effort to
did a lot of
contact me
taking.
for the money, rather.
She sure
I
did
would
a
also like
lot
to
of
point out-
taking.
This as your closing statement, by the way. 'cause it's
That's
very
fine.
long.
That's fine. This will be my closing. And I would also like to say that in her own testimony, every single time that she made an effort to collect the money, I did in fact pay her. And there is no reason for the courts to believe that I won't in the future because I previously had, as she testified. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, Titus.
It's pretty good, actually.
That was really good.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, so
This is why he's
today
the
you've
court
heard
god.
how
Shit,
Mr. Jordan
I'll
Steele
off
has
the
failed
cuffs.
to
I
meet
was
his
not
court-ordered
prepared for
alimony
this.
payments. For
You
the better
don't look
part of a
prepared.
year, he's
I'm
avoided
not.
making these payments and has shown no good faith.
You got
that
egg in
anything
your
will
beard.
change soon.
Did you make that yourself? You're
His
such an
behavior
adult.
here in the courtroom just reinforces this. And I'd also like to point out that at no point in Judge Holden's ruling is there any responsibility on Ms. Steele's
After this
part
court
to
case,
seek
we're
out
gonna be done
payment. It
streaming.
just says that Jordan shall make payments. I urge this court to do the right thing and award Jean the money she's owed by Mr. Steele. We've even proposed an alternate
I'm gonna
payment
fuck
method
that guy with
if he
parking
can't come up with
tickets.
that money, if so desired. Thank you. That's it.
Yeah, I'll give her the money. She just has to ask for it.
Okay, Mr. Steele, now you mentioned that it's give or take a two-way street. You also didn't provide any proof of you attempting to reach out to her to pay her. Mr. Titus is right. It does state on the docket that you are required to pay her. It does not state that she is required to reach out to you.
Listen, I understand
I'm not
that,
sure
Your
any
Honor.
big bills work, but you know, companies and for instance, the IRS is not going to reach out to you until you fucking owe taxes.
Yes,
you know
they
that.
do.
You
Yes,
know
they
that
do.
you owe your tax payments, sir.
No, they actually do that. What?
Yeah, if you're late, they'll contact you. But it's your responsibility. You're a fucking adult, sir. You are an adult.
Ma'am, I understand, but how do I pay someone when I don't know where the fuck they are or when they're? How do I do that?
mean, did you submit anything that proved to me that you were attempting to?
Listen, the burden of proof is on them here. I'm
Just
defending
a lot.
myself.
They met it. They met that. I have a docket here that states that you have not been paying her. I have a docket that states you are supposed to pay her. It does not put any responsibility on her. It's on you.
Okay. Oh, it's on me.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just supposed to fucking what? Just put the money into her account? What do I do here?
Give her a call, hand her the money, send it to her mailing address. I don't know, sir. You should have figured it out. And if you were able to figure it out, why didn't you come to the courts and say, hey, I don't want to get in trouble for not paying my wife her alimony payments. I can't get a hold of her. I need to let you guys know. You can't always sit here and fall
Listen,
back on
how
this
can I get a
didn't
hold of
happen.
her? I don't have a giant net.
Okay. So, Mr. Steele, it comes
Oh,
down to this. Do you have money
For a
to
harpoon.
pay her?
How much is she asking for?
Let's see. It's been how many weeks there, Titus?
As of the filing, it was 41 weeks.
that's a lot of money.
All right, you
God
owe Mrs.
damn.
Steele $205,000.
Good. Listen, I can get the money.
I mean,
Okay.
I'll be going.
Your Honor, my client would request
Kyle.
immediate payment, not another deferral. This has gone on far too
Okay,
long,
listen,
where he
I'm
hasn't
sorry,
made
Work
any
out a
payments.
payment plan
Kyle, aren't
here
you
now.
rich?
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm
It
a
depends, though.
multi-millionaire.
So
I-
how
help
you get the
him.
money?
Listen, how about this? How about we just add
No.
an extra, since apparently
Look, I
I'm
don't
going to
want
be
that
paying
bitch
her for
running
my
the lot.
entire life, why don't we just add an extra $1,000 to my weekly payment until I'm caught up?
No.
Okay, what about an extra 5,000?
I want to see at least half or more of it being paid within the next week. And if you can't do that, then we're gonna have to work out our alternatives, sir.
Jordan, we can do it.
Okay, how about this? Half the money within a week, and then an extra $5,000 a week until I'm caught up. How about that?
Okay, Mr. Titus.
it's not gonna pay him. It's not gonna pay him.
Your Honor, we've waited.
They're trying to
41
box me
weeks
in a
for-
corner here,
She's
Your
trying
Honor.
to push for the lot.
I said I'll
this
give
bitch.
him half the
Steele
money.
approached me.
Yeah, all right.
Nothing but steel, baby.
Alright, stand still.
Right.
I'm gonna be checking your bank account,
Oh
sir.
God, he's coming back.
Order of the courtroom.
Okay, well,
Maximum
tell me
security,
what-
you'll be in
tell me how much is in there.
This is
You
no
do.
bueno.
My
He
uncle's a
keeps
cop.
making outbursts very loudly.
That's not true.
Okay.
Hey, Ashley.
But tell me how much is in your account.
I quit.
Are
Ashley.
you going to leave or am I going
I'm
to
gonna
leave us?
kill you. You better get out of my
Oh,
My uncle's a cop.
It does matter. It does matter. Go back to your stand.
Oh, shit.
I could get half in a week.
Oh no. Good thing you
already
put
have
me in
half
those
here.
cuffs.
Oh, well, there you go.
Because I want to murder.
Nikki got arrested.
Okay, well, if they're not willing to accept that, then we're gonna have to go for. I mean, Titus, you mentioned some good faith effort. I don't see why you're not accepting this.
Sorry, there's a lot of discussion here back and forth, Your Honor. What's the proposed offer?
Who's speaking back there?
It's just a lot of chatter. It's not.
Okay, everyone
anyone in
shut the hell
particular.
up. Please. All right. You talk about some good faith proposal. I believe that we're trying
Everybody
to make one
shut the
here,
hell
and why
up.
are you not accepting of it?
I honestly haven't heard it because of, like I said, there's a lot of going on here. What was the proposal again? Could I hear it
Okay,
again?
So the proposal is he has $100,000 in his account. He can give that to Miss Steele today,
Help me,
and
please.
then
Uncle
he will
Kyle.
have the other half. We can get the
Uncle
other half to
Kyle,
her
help
probably
me.
what? Mr. Steele, I can
Help
give you 2
me.
weeks for the other half.
Sure, done.
What?
Let me check with my client on that.
Okay.
This bitch.
Bitch.
This bitch.
That's okay with my client as long as there's something like what if he doesn't get that money, the second part of it there. What's the consequences?
All right, Mr. Steele, if you don't have the other half of this money to her by, let me see. December 4th, Miss Steele will be granted the. Well, who's the other third ownership of this lot?
You know, I don't actually know.
Isn't it apples?
I think she died,
Oh,
and then her estate never went anywhere.
wait.
Oh, that's right.
Oh, yeah, my ex-wife. Wait, it's mine.
Check on the bank side of that.
Dundee likes to think that he owns since they were married.
Well, Mr. Steele, if you don't have it to her by December 4th, she will be filing another claim.
Good, on
No,
Christmas. Real good.
December 4th. That's not
Yeah,
Christmas.
That's 21 days
Oh,
before
shit.
Christmas,
Anyway, if you
Jordan.
don't have it by that date, she will be owning
Literally
now
3
2/3
weeks.
of the lot.
Yeah, all right, fine.
Okay, great. Miss Steele, if you don't have the other half by the 4th, I'm also going to be lowering these payments. It is a lot. I'm not sure what the hell Judge Holden was thinking. I'm going to lower them
Me
to
out of those cuffs, you short-haired skate.
4,000.
You short
I think
haired
that's more
stick.
reasonable
Oh,
with the
shit.
current economy.
Oh, winner. Winner.
But Mr. Steele, make sure not only do you have to pay her this, but you still have to pay her per
Uncle
week
Kyle.
$4,000. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, if I have another issue on
Can
the
we get
docket, I'm gonna
50K
give her the
from,
last
judges
130 your
every
fucking
week?
lot. You understand that?
Yeah, but it goes
Yup.
to apples, and apples is on one.
Okay. Are you
Wait, hold
sure?
on, Your Honor. Can we also
Well,
say
if
that
Jordan
she
comes
has
around,
to
maybe
at
you
least
can
make an
get it
effort
from
to get a
apples.
hold of me for the money?
Okay, we'll try.
You need to do it. You both need to do it, but more so you, Mr. Steele.
Your Honor,
I'm in town almost every day.
Your Honor,
so-
this
That's
this
a
whole
fucking- that's
response to
bullshit.
me on me is frankly sexist. I believe that
not.
I believe this is a sexist. You know, just because I'm the man, I don't think that means I should have to do all the work.
Oh shit.
All right, case is
Men have
adjourned.
rights too.
That first $100,000 needs to be paid by the end of the day today.
Oh shit, chat.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you scratch that. I'm gonna give you 4 hours to get that money to her, starting right now.
Fuck.
Okay.
Oh.
All right, case is adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, we won.
And
If you once you take me out of these cuffs, I'm gonna kill you.
That was a good case.
Shit.
I'll be back with a gun.
On somebody right
Hey,
now, Carter.
hey,
Really?
yo, Maybe we get out of here. We go get some beans.
I can't find it.
Maybe you
There it is. All right, chat. That was pretty fun. I like court cases, even though it was only like 40 minutes. It was still pretty good.
You ruined my dad's life.
50 frames right now. Alright, chat. We're gonna run back to the hotel and then to our room, and we're going to. Hope you all enjoyed that. I'm lagging too. I don't know why. All right. Hope you all enjoyed that. That was pretty fun. Fun court case.